This is the current state of my living room after it flooded yesterday. This is what they did today. Rip all that up. These big ugly fans in here. They're freaking loud. They pulled up in here. Boy, oh boy. This is in here. Quadruple joy. The dining room. Yes, chaos ensues rapidly. Hey, Tigger. They moved the things in here so they could see if floor in here had gotten damaged, but apparently it hadn't, so it's all junky in here. Anyway, this is day one. Fun, fun, fun.